one of also the shocks, you come out of college with this view, this kind of empowered view of, knowing how the world works, and I can add this much value. I've got all these suggestions, which is all great, and that keep that energy, but you get cut down to size pretty quickly. Like my first task, I remember, was to go to the pharmacy and take pictures of the product on the shelf for a presentation we were putting together. That was literally my job. And I remember being told that, and I was like, what are you guys talking about? Like, I'm here to build a model. Like, I can build a 3-statement model and like a DCF and what have you.
You're like, no, just go take a photo.
And like, no, here's a camera. Go take a picture of these products.
Oh my gosh.
I was like, oh, okay, I don't see why did I do all those interviews and like do all this work in college to go take pictures?
Did you eventually?
Products at a pharmacy. So yes, I eventually, there's the first few months as an analyst, you're doing that type of work.